Hello. It's me, Shen, and today I'm going to be doing a video on lithops, or they're called living stone as well. I'm not an expert, I'm just going by what I've learnt by having them in my home. So I will tell you what I know, and let's get started. How beautiful are they? I love these, and a lot of people do, and I know why. It's just because they're so cute and fat, and I don't know, you just want to touch them, which I'm going to do sneakily. They're so cute. But anyway, so what do I know about lithops? I know that lithops do not need water. And trust me, I have killed some in the past by over watering. These plants only need, watering 3 times a year maybe. At that, they hardly need any water. And another thing, when you do water them, a lot of people don't know this, but they will just water them like a normal plant by putting water on top. No, you shouldn't do that. Lithops should be placed into water, and they can take up as much as they need, and then take them out and drain them off. Don't water them from above. We don't want the leaves getting wet. Another thing about watering, lithops shouldn't be watered when they're changing their leaves. So as you can see, a lot of mine are opening, they're shedding I'd say shedding their skin, but apparently it's their leaf. But some of them aren't, for example, this one. And yeah, there's a few in there. So really, when they start shedding their leaves, you shouldn't water them. You should just leave them. And most of mine are starting to shed, so I will not water these. And if you look at my lithops, a lot of them are nice and firm. I'm just going around. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Oh, what's this? Oh, this guy don't look right. Yep, guys. This guy looks a little bit dry. And he does as well. But anyway, I'll explain that. Now, the confusion is some people will say, when the lithop looks dry, it needs water. Nah, that's not true. Lithops, when they are drying up, it could be from too much heat, too much sun. They will shrivel, maybe lack of water. But I will show you now a lithop that I've had for a very long time, and I'll explain what I mean about the wrinkle, when they get wrinkly. And this is the guy I'm talking about. I've had this for a very long time. And look at him. Poor thing. And by the way, he came in this soil. It shouldn't be in this soil. But like I said, I live in Cyprus and we have a hard time finding soil for plants like this. But anyway, when I got him, he was very plump, very good looking. And as time's gone on, he's getting uglier and uglier. And he's very wrinkly. Now, you'd think he's thirsty, wouldn't you? Nah. I've watered this guy many times, and he's not revived. His roots are fine. I've taken him out and had a look. And, yeah, so he's alive, but he's not underwatered, that's for sure. Sometimes they do this when they're going to change leaves. And I noticed, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it. If you can see. Anyway, he's splitting, basically. I don't know, I can't zoom in on it. But he is splitting. So I don't know whether he's going to... Oh, God. I can't believe that just happened. Anyway, that's good that happened. We can look. As you can see, there's his roots. And he actually feels all right. But yeah, I think he's shedding... There you go. He's shedding his leaves. He's starting to shed it. So, yeah, guys. If they get wrinkly, it's not necessary because they're underwatered. It could be because they're going to change their leaves. I will fix that later. And, yeah. So, what else? Obviously, lithops, when they do shed their leaves, there'll be one lithop, and then once they shed, there should be 2. I can't give you an example because they're not shedding yet. But I will put a picture for you to see. with lithops, you do actually, like my ones, as you can see, they're quite packed. And this actually, the bigger they get, obviously I'm going to need to move them and replant them somewhere else individually probably or something. But for now, they're doing fine. And I don't really want to disturb them while they are changing their leaves. But in general, lithops are quite easygoing. I tried keeping some outside. They didn't do that well. So I put it inside near a window with indirect light and they're happy there. So I would put them somewhere with indirect light. They don't like direct light too much. Indirect is the best. And yeah, they're really good because obviously you don't need to water them. So you can just have them in your home, watch them grow, and yeah. So guys, obviously I've seen people do videos and they dust them with brushes and they make them look so pretty and all this stuff. I'm a bit rough. I like them looking the way they're looking and I think they're pretty enough. So guys, I would tell you, my advice to you is go and buy some lithops if you're not good at watering plants. They're excellent. And yeah, that was just a quick video from me, and I hope my video was helpful and I made sense. And take care and goodbye.